The world is a book, and those less traveled has read only a page. One such place that can't be missed from your travel plan is India. A country home to more than 1 billion people, there's simply no other word that convincingly captures the enigma that is India. With unity in diversity, from snow-dusted mountains to sun-washed beaches, tranquil temples to festive festivals, lantern-lit villages to software supremo cities, it's hardly surprising that this country has been dubbed the world's most multi-dimensional. India is an intoxicating cultural cocktail for any traveler. For those seeking spiritual sustenance, India has oodles of sacrosanct sites and stirring philosophical epics. It's a nation that's a melting point of numerous cultures, religion, history and life. It's indeed an incredible India. Roundtable India is a member of Roundtable International. From a modest start on November 14, 1962, with just 100 members, has grown to become a 2,500 member strong association. 60 million Indian children are deprived of right education. This triggers the chain of poverty, degradation and child labor. Roundtables in India has been successful in building over 1,200 schools. We believe that we can do something to give every Indian a chance. One such division is the Madurai Roundtable 14. As the name suggests, its location is in Madurai, famously known as the Temple City of India. Madurai is one of the oldest and prestigious cities in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Situated on the banks of Vaigai River, Madurai's cultural heritage goes back to 2,500 years. This temple city is widely known for Meenakshi Temple, around which the city evolved, has made Madurai one of the most widely visited sites by pilgrims and tourists from around the world. Meenakshi Temple is dedicated to Sri Meenakshi, the consort of Lord Shiva. This is one of the biggest temple complexes of India. Madurai is also known for its hospitality, as it treats its guests with great respect and warmth. Karagatam is a popular folk dance of Madurai. This is a ritual dance performed during temple festivals. Madurai is also popular for Jallikattu. Jallikattu is a bull taming sports held as a part of Pongal celebrations. Another speciality of this place is the jasmine flower. Almost every woman flaunts it on the back of their heads. Handlooms, miniature monuments that captivates the passage of time, and an experience that will leave you spellbound, and a knowledge that will take your imagination of mankind and his skills far beyond. Leaving behind the piousness and beauty of the city, there is a group of like-minded people dedicated to building the future of India. They are from an association called Madurai Roundtable 14, a part of the Roundtable India. Madurai Roundtable 14, or MRT 14, as it's popularly known, is the fountainhead of fellowship in the area, hosting many tabling events for Roundtable India. Our motto of service through fellowship has brought about many worthy projects for the underprivileged. Our main project being the primary school built for children below poverty line for Rs 1.3 million. Apart from this, every year at least 200,000 rupees is spent on donations to school, old age homes and differently abled children. This is possible only with the help of some very dedicated and active members whose unparalleled love and care for the children of our country who hold the key to the future of a great India. It's an honor to host the World 14 meet at Madurai in June 2011. Fellowship is the mainstay of Madurai Roundtable 14, and we invite you all to attend this once-in-a-lifetime experience. There's plenty of time for great parties, loads of fun, and a unique opportunity for a guided tour to see and learn about some of the exotic places in northern and southern India under the expert guidance of MRT 14 members before and after the meet. So it's time to do some packing and get on board, friends. We welcome you with all our hearts to Madurai.